there, Metaverse Explorers! I'm Lilo, and today I'm going to show you how to use your own avatar in Vket. Because walking around with a default avatar is just meh. Let's personalize it. First things first, you need a .vrm file. If you already have your avatar from Union Avatars, perfect. If not, head over to the platform, create one, and export it as VRM. Easy, right? Way easier than picking an outfit in real life. Before diving into the metaverse, we need to create a Vket account. Just go to their website, sign up, and yes, you're in. Now you have access to this huge virtual market where you can explore, shop, and spend digital money like there's no tomorrow. Now, let's bring your avatar to life. Inside Vket, open the menu, go to the Avatar section, and click Add Avatar. Upload your .vrm file, and boom! Your digital self is ready to take over the virtual world. Before rushing off to explore, let's add the final touches. Give your avatar a name, upload a profile picture, and make sure everything looks correct. And that's it! Now your avatar is ready to shine in my Vket. You can explore different worlds, join live events, or even build your own virtual home. Remember, WASD to walk, mouse to look around, and spacebar to jump. Super easy, right? So go have fun, meet other creators, and don't forget to share your adventures online. Who knows, maybe I'll bump into you in one of the worlds. See you in the next metaverse adventure.